Hi everyone, I'm Chriszelda from Cape Town. So before joining the Sell Your Expertise program with Yana, I was struggling of being all over the place. I didn't know which creative business to start, and I wanted to make a lasting impression in people's lives. So I chose this program with Yana to be with like-minded people and to be in a tribe of women who are strong believers as well. So what has changed for me? What has changed is my outlook on my finances, my vision for my family, as well as my knowledge for business in general, as well as for the goals that I have. How do I feel about this program after I've finished it now? I feel more confident in my identity, my outlook on life, as well as feeling more secure and valued. And I would recommend the Sell Your Expertise program for strong Christian women who wants to make an impact in society. They should join this program with Yana. Bye.